Hey there, IT security pros. There's a critical alert you need to know about right now. If your organization uses self-hosted GitLab instances with SAML-based authentication, you must update immediately to address a severe vulnerability, CVE-2024-45409. This flaw comes with a maxed-out CVSS score of 10.0, meaning it's as dangerous as it gets. So what's the big deal? This vulnerability allows attackers to bypass authentication checks and log in as any user. Think about that for a second. Total unauthorized access to your GitLab environment. We're talking potential theft, code injection, and data manipulation. It's a nightmare scenario for any DevOps platform. The issue affects multiple versions, including GitLab CE, EE, and GitLab Dedicated. Fortunately, GitLab Dedicated has already been patched. But for those of you running self-managed installations, you need to update right now. Don't wait. And while you're at it, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for an added layer of security. The root cause of this vulnerability lies in improper signature verification within the Ruby SAML library. In simple terms, attackers can forge SAML responses and trick your system into granting unauthorized access. Given the high stakes, the risk here is off the charts. And it's not just this one flaw. CVE 2024-45409 is part of a series of critical vulnerabilities that GitLab has disclosed recently. This raises serious questions about their security practices, making it even more crucial for you to stay vigilant and proactive. So there you have it. Update your GitLab instances immediately and review your security measures. Your organization's safety is on the line. Thanks for tuning in and stay secure out there. End of video.